How birds navigate during migration. Birds are remarkable navigators, capable of migrating thousands of miles without the aid of modern technology like GPS. Their ability to find their way across vast distances is guided by several natural mechanisms that rely on environmental cues, biological instincts, and sensory abilities honed over millennia of evolution. Using the sun as a compass. One of the primary ways birds navigate is by using the sun as a compass. During the day, they use the position of the sun in the sky to orient themselves. By knowing the time of day and understanding the sun's movement, birds can determine which direction to fly. This method requires an internal clock, which birds have developed to maintain accuracy. The role of the Earth's magnetic field. Birds also utilize the Earth's magnetic field to help them navigate. They have specialized cells containing magnetite in their beaks and brains, which act as magnetic sensors. These sensors help birds detect the Earth's magnetic field lines and use them to orient themselves, particularly during cloudy days or at night when visual cues are unavailable. Stellar navigation at night. At night, when the sun is not visible, many migratory birds rely on the stars for navigation. They use the position of constellations, particularly the North Star in the Northern Hemisphere, to guide their journey. Birds possess an innate ability to recognize and remember star patterns, allowing them to travel across long distances under the cover of darkness. Visual cues and landmarks. Birds also rely on visual landmarks during migration, especially when flying along known migration routes. These can include mountain ranges, rivers, coastlines, or even the shape of the landmass. Some species are thought to memorize these landmarks during previous migrations and use them to reorient themselves during their journey. The use of olfactory signals. Recent research has shown that some birds, particularly homing pigeons, are capable of using their sense of smell to navigate. They can detect unique olfactory signals that are specific to certain locations, such as the scent of ocean air or pine forests. This helps them maintain their bearings, especially when other navigational cues are less reliable. Inherited navigation abilities. Birds' migratory instincts are largely inherited. Juvenile birds that have never traveled the migration route before are often able to complete long-distance migrations successfully. This suggests that some navigational knowledge is passed down genetically, providing birds with the ability to follow migration paths even without direct experience. Social learning and flock behavior. Some birds, especially those that migrate in large flocks, may learn navigation techniques from older, more experienced birds. This social learning helps younger birds adapt to migration patterns and successfully navigate their journey. Flock behavior also provides safety and guidance during migration, as birds in a group can share information and adjust their course collectively. Impact of weather and atmospheric conditions. Weather conditions, such as wind patterns and air currents, play an essential role in bird migration. Birds are able to sense and utilize favorable winds to help them travel longer distances with less effort. They may also adjust their flight patterns based on changes in weather, such as flying higher or lower to avoid storm systems. How migration behaviors are evolving. As climate change and environmental disruptions affect migratory patterns, birds are adapting to new conditions. Changes in temperature, food availability, and habitats can influence the timing and routes of migration. Some species are evolving new strategies for navigating in response to these shifts, ensuring their survival in a rapidly changing world. Conclusion. The wonders of bird migration. Bird migration is a complex and awe-inspiring phenomenon, relying on a blend of biological, environmental, and instinctive cues. Birds have evolved a remarkable ability to navigate vast distances with precision, and their navigation techniques continue to fascinate researchers. By studying these natural mechanisms, we gain deeper insight into the amazing capabilities of birds and the intricacies of their migrations.